Okay, so yesterday's class ಅಲ್ಲಿ we did analogy ಅಲ್ವಾ, figures and numbers analogy ಅಂದ್ರೆ shapes ಇಂದ finding out what is the relation and then answering the questions. So yesterday what we did adu numbers and figures, it was based on numbers and figures. Okay, it is called analogy, but numbers and figures adu we can also call it as non-verbal analogy. Okay, so ivattu today I will teach you verbal analogy. I'll tell you what it is. So today's topic is analogy verbal. Okay, I'll start with the example itself. Same yesterday, whatever questions we did, same ಅದೇ pattern ಅಲ್ಲಿ question ಇರುತ್ತೆ. For example, first question is cup Okay, so the options are option A, bush, option B, grass, option C, forest, option D, beak, B-E-A-K, beak. Okay, so nodi illi question pattern nodi, it is same as yesterday's question pattern, correct? Do you remember this, everyone? Can you hear me? Is it audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Question pattern is same. Yesterday, now whatever questions. Yesterday, how did we have one figure? Is there 2 dots, one more figure, 4 dots, one figure, and then question mark. So what did I say? This is one part. Andre before 4 dots, this is one part. This is second part. Correct? So illi e figure in the e figure ge what is the relation you should find out. That relation use ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಯೆಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ ಟುಡೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಬಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಬಲ್ ರೀಸನಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ, ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಇವನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 2 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, this is another part. So first nodi cup and lips. So illi what is the relation? Cup in the whatever, if we drink something or if we eat something from the cup, we eat it with the help of lips. Am I correct? We eat or drink with the help of lips. Okay, so e relation ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Cup and lip. Everyone, did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so cup in the whatever we eat or drink, we do that with the help of lips. Okay, so this is the relation. So human beings, we use lips. What about bird? Birds, ke, what is it called? It is called a beak. Okay, so birds, they collect grass or they eat seeds. They do that with the help of beak. So birds ki iradu, that is called as beak. Okay, the mouth of birds, it's called as beak. So that's why option D is the answer. Okay, did everyone understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so same ivaga yesterday's question pattern and this question pattern, it is the same thing. Okay, only difference ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ normal words ಇರುತ್ತೆ and you should try to understand the relation between words. Yesterday's questions, we had to understand relation between figures. Okay, figures or shapes, adರಲ್ಲಿ we had to find out the pattern, but now we should only understand how two words, ಈ ತರ two words, how are they related. Okay, so this is the question. I'll take up the next one. Second question. Low river stagnant, question mark. Options are option A, rain, option B, stream, option C, pool, option D, canal. So first nanu each word ge meaning eno I'll explain that. Okay, so first question only, this is one part, this is one part, and this is one more part. Okay, so first of all, ellargu river andre eno gotta? Do you all know what is a river?
Yes, ma'am.
ಸೊ ರಿವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ರಿವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಫ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಆಮ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್?
Yes, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿವರ್. ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ನೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? ವಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್. ಆ ಥರ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ನೆಂಟ್. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಫಿಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಸೈಡ್, ವಾಟರ್ ಏನು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. That is called stagnant. Okay, stagnant andre water, it is not moving, it is just there in that place, just like that. Okay, so river alli water is flowing, water is moving, there is a movement. So e options alli which water body water is stagnant andre water will not move? One by one option. Yeah, tell me.
Option C.
Yes, option C is correct. Yes, I'll explain. So first option, rain alli obviously water ಏನು stagnant ಇರಲ್ಲ. Correct? Rain is falling, so water movement ಇದೆ. So option A is wrong. Stream andre it is nothing but similar to river. Stream andre when water is flowing only then it is called stream. Okay, so flow of water idrene stream irutte, so obviously stream is wrong. Canal also, water flows through a canal. Correct? Canal in the water will flow, so canal is also wrong. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಪೂಲ್. ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಪೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಏನು ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಪೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಅದು ಇಟ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಪೂಲ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಪೂಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ನೆಂಟ್, ಇನ್ ರಿವರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so next question game, I think last time we did A to Z alphabets ke numbers we should write down. We'll quickly write that first. Okay, so each alphabet ke we'll write down the numbers.
ಇನ್ನ ಕುಯ್ಕ ಬಂದೈತಿ, ಇನ್ನ ಎತ್ತಿಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಕುಯ್ಕ ಬಂದದ ಎತ್ತಿಕ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು.
Please mute your mic. 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. Okay, so now I'll give you the question. So third question. Okay, this is the given question. So illi if you all remember, itara questions we have already solved. Okay, so this is one part.
Ma'am, plus one add.
Okay, we'll check it. Yes, so first ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು for reason one code one some letter some word is given like this. So how to get this word from reason, a relation find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Using that relation we should find what comes in the place of question mark. Okay, let us check. Reason, REASON. Yes, so quickly tell me what is the number for each alphabet. For R, what is the number?
18.
Okay, next.
5.
5.
Okay,
1.
A1.
19.
next.
50.
50.
40.
40. Okay, next. Illi, what is this given? SFBTPO. Yes, so tell me the numbers for this one by one.
19.
19.
Okay,
6.
6. 2.
yes.
20.
20.
No, sorry.
16.
Okay,
50.
yes.
15.
So what is the relation? One of you told it correctly. What is it? 18 in the 19, 5 to 6, 1 to 2, 19 to 20, 15 to 16, and 14 to 15. So illi what is the relation?
Plus
Plus 1. Correct. Plus 1 plus 1. So for each letter plus 1 andre just next letter baribeku. That is only the relation here. So now tell me for think, THINK. What should I write? What is the answer?
UIGML.
Okay, for T, next letter to T is U, next letter to H is I, next letter to I is, what is it? J.
J.
Okay, next tell me last two letters, you tell me.
O.
Okay,
L.
Yes.
L, correct. So UIJOL, this is the final answer. Okay, so UIJOL is the correct answer. Okay, next question. Artha aita, did everyone understand? It is
Yes,
same as
ma'am.
coding and decoding. If you all remember, we do E type of questions, we did it already.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is, okay, this is the question. So first we'll write down. Given word is nation, NATION. Okay, first of all, this is one part and this is the second part. Okay, nation, and given nation is being changed to ANTINO. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ what is happening? First two letters interchange ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. See, place of first two letters is interchange. N is coming to second place, A is coming to first place. Okay, next two letters same ಅದೇ place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Again, to next two letters, place is changing. Artha aita, what is the relation here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so what is happening? First two letters, places interchange ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next two letters, same place. Again, next two letters, interchange the place. Now tell me what is the answer?
UHNGYR.
Okay, so idu interchange ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. First two letters, it will become UH. Next two letters, same place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So it will be NG. And then again, next two letters, interchange YR. So yes, correct. UHNGYR is the right answer. Okay. Next question. Okay, this is the question. So again, this is the first part, second part. So we'll first write down master, MASTER. So first, tell me the numbers one by one, starting with M. What is the
Plus
number?
2 added.
Okay, we'll check it. First, tell me the number one by one.
30,
Okay.
1,
1,
19,
19,
20,
20,
5,
5,
80,
80,
18, correct. Next, Illi, what is the letter? It is OCU.
CUGT,
Okay. Yeah, tell me what is this for row?
15,
50.
50,
3.
3,
3, 21,
22,
22, 7,
7,
20,
20,
So now check,
20.
Maddie. 13 to
1
15.
plus 2 added.
Yes, 13 to 15, 1 to 3. 19 to 21, 20 to 22, 5 to 7, and 18 to 20. What is happening here? Plus 2.
plus 2,
Correct.
Plus 2.
So now we'll check for this. LABOUR. Tell me the numbers one by one.
L,
Yeah, number is 12.
1,
1,
2,
2,
15,
50, 21, 80,
18. So tell me what is 12 plus 2?
N,
12 plus 2.
40,
Yes. 1 plus 2 is 3.
3,
2 plus 2 is 4.
4,
17,
7,
23,
3,
Correct. And
20.
Now E numbers na we will match it for the letters. So 14 andre letter is N.
N,
N,
Yes.
C,
Yes.
D,
D,
Q,
Q, Q,
W,
W, T.
Correct. So N, C, D, Q, W, T. This is the answer. So in relation, only plus 2. Each alphabet ke do plus 2 and write down the next next letter. So yes, N, C, D, Q, W, T is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, next question. I think it is sixth one. Okay, this is not related to this. Idu just word analogy. Microphone loud. microscope. Question mark. Options are option A, elongate. Option B, investigate. Option C, magnify. Option D, examine. Okay, so first I'll tell you what is the meaning, okay? Then we'll find the answer. So, microphone andre enu microphone in the sound baratte, correct? It will make the
Yes,
sound
ma'am.
louder. Okay, microphone in the sound baratte, which is loud. Microscope andre enu microscope andre adu, it is used in labs. For what are we using it? For very small particles. If it is very small, adana clear agi nodbeku andre we can see it through microscope. Okay, so microscope in the what happens, inadru very small particle idre in a big size you can see it through a microscope. Okay, so now a big size alli nodedu what is it called? It is called magnifying. Okay, option C, magnify is correct. So microphone in the firstly microphone in the ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ sound ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So that sound is loud. Okay, more volume ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ through a microphone. Microscope in the what can we see? We can see image or particle or anything. So ಅದು image ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? It magnifies the image. Okay, small, very small particle. ನಾವು direct with our normal eye direct agi we cannot see particles. Same particle microscope alli we can see it in a bigger image. Okay, so that is called magnifying. Okay, so that's why option C, magnify, is the right answer. Okay, so microphone makes sound loud. Microscope magnifies the image. Okay, so idu artha aita? Did everyone understand the meaning here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Then one last question for today. Doctor, treatment, judge. Question mark.
Judgment.
Correct. Okay, very nice. But options nodidre, there sometimes there is a chance you will get confused. Ivaga I'll give you an option. Options check ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, so these are the options. So yes, correct. Judgment, option B, judgment is the correct answer. But look at all the options, various options, all the four options, nodi, punishment, judgment, lawyer and court. All four options, idella, they are related to a judge, correct? Idella somewhere it is closely related to judge. Adikke there is a chance some people might get confused. So avaga just you should be careful. Now see, doctor, what does a doctor do? He or she does treatment. The work of doctor is to do treatment. Okay, so illi the action, we are talking about the action here. Doctor is doing treatment, so judge will do judgment. Okay, judge will not do punishment. Okay, so try to understand that meaning here. Judge will not punish people. Am I correct? Judge will not punish people. He will just give judgment. Only judgment ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. He will not punish people. Okay? Lawyer is not an action. It is not a work. I mean, not work andre, it is not an action. It is not a verb here. Court andre, it is just a place. So option B, judgment, is the right answer. So itara, if the options are confusing, you should be careful. That time look at this before andre first part check madi what is the relation they are talking about. Doctor and treatment. Doctor and what if, suppose I'll change the question, e place alli what if it was doctor and hospital. Doctor and hospital, judge and question mark. So avaga what will be the option?
Court.
Correct. So that time court will be the option. Okay, so the answer, it depends on your first part alli in relation ide, based on that only you should answer the question. Okay, so illi treatment ide. Treatment means it is the work which they are doing, the action. So action of doctor is treatment, so action of judge is judgment. Okay, so everyone idu artha aita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then, that's it for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.